Okay, so here we are. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the doggy out for a walk. So I have my clicker and my treats and my bag. And what I want to do is I want to walk the dog before I do an introduction with the rabbits and any training with her there. And you want to make sure your doggy's well exercised and tired. Alright, now we're going to do the pleasurable experience between the two of them to get them introduced. The barrier is up. I always have my leash on just in case. So here we go. We're going to feed the dog and the rabbits on either side of the gate. Sit, good girl. And Tessa, come. Good job. This way they associate each other with a good experience. Okay, so your doggy should always be on a leash. And with the door closed, now sit. Good. Down. Good. And walk her over here. And the bunnies need to associate the experience with something good, so I toss them some food. Good girl. Sit. Oops. A freebie. Good job. Just walk her around. Sit. Down. Good. All right. Good job. All right. So the bunnies are out and about with the dog. Sit. Down. All the way. Good girl. And then walk her away from them. Well, you have to stand to sit, silly. Oh, she's being so good. Good job. Sit. Stay. Tessa, come. Tessa, up. Oh, you want to say hi to the doggy? Wait. Down. Quiet. Good. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Down. Good job. Yes, you get yours. I go get yours. Stay. Kesta. Pumpkin. There you go. Up. I said to stay. So down. Alexis, calm down. Down. Good girl. That was a good recovery. Nice job. Okay, come on. Let's go back out on the floor. Okay, stay there for a minute. 1 second. I'll be right with you.